What's up, everybody? It's June 5th, which is the first Saturday of June, which means we have a tornado siren test today. It'll be going off in a few minutes. It's almost 1 p.m. So let's get right into it. They started the test 1 minute late. I was looking at my watch, wondering when they were going to start it, because it was a little after 1. About a minute after it finally went off. I believe during sometime in May, they might have gone off because that siren was not in the position it was last time for last month's test. If you go look at the end of the test, you'll see it was in a different spot than it was today. So kind of interesting. I noticed that on a few sirens around here that they were all in different positions because they obviously don't stop in the right position like they typically do. So just kind of thought that was interesting. But that wraps up today's test. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next month for the next test.